CEO has arrived at the DGCA office. This is the big breaking that we are getting in, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, the civil aviation meltdown, the story that we have been tracking very, very closely. And right now, this is the breaking news that we are getting in on your screens. IndiGo CEO has arrived at the DGCA office in New Delhi. IndiGo CEO Peter Elbers has arrived at the Directorate General of Civil Aviation Office in New Delhi to discuss the recent operational disruptions and the flight cancellations, the massive civil aviation meltdown, the nationwide civil aviation meltdown that we have been tracking very, very closely. The DGCA has in fact summoned Elbers to submit a comprehensive report on the disruptions, including data on flight restoration, crew deployment and passenger compensation. The DGCA has also deployed an 8-member oversight team at IndiGo's headquarters. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we had broken this story yesterday. They have, in fact, deployed this 8-member oversight team at IndiGo's headquarters to monitor the airline operations, including fleet management, pilot roster and crew utilization. This move comes after IndiGo cancelled over 5,000 flights, affecting millions of passengers. This was a huge civil aviation meltdown that we have been tracking. And right now, these are the first pictures, the first visuals coming on your screen. IndiGo CEO Peter Elbers has been summoned to the DGCA office in Delhi. All right, joining me live is my colleague Chandrakala. Chandrakala, this is the fresh update that we are getting in. The IndiGo CEO has been summoned to the DGCA office in Delhi. He has been summoned. He has been asked to submit a comprehensive report. What are the other updates on the cards? Chandrakala.
Yes, what we're learning is that the IndiGo CEO, Peter Elbers, has just arrived at the DGCA. He has been asked to appear before the DGCA today to present comprehensive data on the recent widespread flight disruptions and the measures put in place to mitigate the crisis. Now, we know that the DGCA has also set up an oversight team to monitor the carrier's network and crew operations. Well, now IndiGo CEO will be presenting a comprehensive data on the recent widespread flight disruptions and the measures being taken to mitigate this crisis. What we're also learning is that, yesterday, of course, on Wednesday, the DGCA has ordered an immediate on-site inspection inspection at 11 airports across the country after widespread passenger inconvenience caused by large-scale disruptions in IndiGo's operations. The fact that, the flights continue to be disrupted, even though the chief executive officer of the airlines, Peter Elbers, claiming on Tuesday that its operations were back on track. And we have seen that earlier the Civil Aviation Minister, Ram Mohan Naidu, held a detailed meeting with IndiGo's top management to review the stabilization measures. Now, it remains to be seen what could be the outcome of this very meeting, which is still underway. Of course, it's underway right at the DGCA, where the IndiGo CEO has been summoned. Of course, we know that earlier, he was also present during the review meeting with the Civil Aviation Minister, Ram Mohan Naidu, where a detailed review meeting has taken place. And now, of course, the DGCA has once again, summoned the IndiGo CEO as the crisis still continues to, of course, now the fact that the situation is stabilizing, but the fact that more and more flights still remain cancelled on Thursday morning, including Bengaluru Airport, for that matter, Ahmedabad Airport. In fact, yesterday, more than 200 flights were cancelled, including major airport, including Bengaluru and Delhi, witnessing the largest cancellations. So yes, it remains to be seen what could be the outcome after the IndiGo CEO being summoned by DGCA today.
Absolutely, Chandrakala. Do stay with us. We'll be tracking the story very, very closely. Ladies and gentlemen, we are getting another breaking news that is coming in. A U.S. delegation has arrived at the